We are 5 minutes in. Got some very interesting price action this morning. I'm up about 600 bucks so far. Took 3 trades. One loser right out of the gate, and then 2 winners after that. I was looking at this 60-minute chart and I saw I had a level at 50 and the 20 SMA at 50. I tried for a bounce, but I got a horrible fill. And instead of hopping out, I let it run down to my stop loss. But I'm noticing there's no negative delta coming in during this mega down move. No negative delta. So I hopped in when we got down to these cosmic levels. And then this huge green candle with a ton of delta finally. I got into another long up to the 20 in VWAP. So it worked out fine. It's kind of a dumb trade at the open. I should have got out when I got the horrible fill. We got some major delta divergence this morning. It's huge down move, 0 delta follow through. And then we got this giant V-shaped retracement. That's just too erratic. I was looking for a push up to yesterday's high, which pretty much just got, but price was not getting there quick enough in this wild price action. If the market wasn't so insane this morning, I would have held that trade a little bit longer. 87% profitable. That first trade, I lost like 350 or so across the board, up over 800. We've got an old level that I drew around 73. Another one around whole number at 500. Breaking above the first 15-minute candle. See if we test this recent high here, around 60. Took a little scalp short there. I just saw that really quick flush to the upside. Pretty sure we were going to retrace a little bit right after that. We had a ebb and flow on the ES appear. It was right next to VWAP, but once we broke above VWAP, got 3 or 4 points there. I do not trade the ebb and flow on the ES. I don't trade the ES in general, just looking at it for confluence with the NQ. This is the solar wind painting the candles on the 5-minute charts and the 15-minute chart. We've got delta waning a little bit on the NQ, making these higher highs. Delta's dropping off a little bit. Took that break above both of these entry candles. Still absolutely do not trust the direction at the moment, so I got out super quick there. Up almost 1500 now, 90%. No more ebb and flow signals on the NQ besides this one this morning that did not trigger. We never broke below the low of this candle. Nowhere close. I decided to just turn the recording on if I make a trade and explain it. Added another $400 there, 92% now. Up $1,886 after commissions. Just saw this huge, massive candle starting to form. Bunch of delta coming in, live in real time. Breaking below the 20 SMA pretty hard. Hopped in on a little scalp short there. Pretty straightforward trade there. Riding the delta momentum, making sure there's nothing in my way, making sure we're breaking below some key levels. Just got an ebb and flow short, coming right up to yesterday's high in VWAP. I'm going to want to see it break below there. We got the center of the opening range coming up. That ebb and flow signal did work out. We did break below VWAP. We broke below the center of the opening range and dropped over 20 points lower so far. We also had an ebb and flow on the ES on that candle. So this was the one and only ebb and flow signal that triggered. Again, I wouldn't have taken it until it broke below VWAP, looking to test the center of the opening range, or waiting until it closed below the center of the opening range. I didn't take any of those trades. I'm up pretty good on the day. It's almost 10:30. Just waiting and watching, see what this crazy wild beast is going to do next. I'm taking all these trades on my Apex Trader funding accounts. They're having an 80% off sale, all accounts, until the end of July. A couple more days here. If you use code MonkeyMan over at Apex, you get the best price always, and you help support the work that I do on this channel. And it's greatly appreciated. There's links to all the indicators that I use in the description. If you're enjoying this content and want to help me rise up in the algorithms, please hit the like and subscribe. Hope you got some good ideas for your own trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.